to another video on Tankmanjoe 2. Today, I'll be doing my own tasty finds with the dynamic do-it-yourself Diva.
Okay, there we go. So, hello, welcome.
This is the previous owner of the Dynamic DIY Diva channel, now Tankmanjoe 2. Today, we'll be tasting these. Take it away, Dynamic DIY Diva.
Help. There's something else from Trader Joe's. No, Trader Joe's does not pay us. We are not promoting them. We're just going to our local store, and we buy junk off. We buy stuff off their shelves. And we say, hey, let's try something. And today we're going to try the Georgia Pecan Butterscotch Chip Cookies. Nutty, salty, and crispy. Southern style cookies made in Savannah, Georgia. I'm thinking of an SNL skit with Alec Baldwin, you know. Anyway, enough of that. If you know what I'm talking about, good on you.
If you know what she is talking about, like this video, subscribe to Tankmanjoe 2.
Let's get to the tasting. Okay, so there you are. These are Georgia Pecan Butterscotch Chip Cookies. Let's see. It has wheat, so if you're gluten-free, sorry. There are 7 servings per container. And a serving size is 10 cookies. 10 cookies, so these must be pretty small. And the calories, 130 calories. As far as nutritional value, you get 2% iron. Yep, that's about it. Okay, so, and 2 grams of protein. I would, if you are lifting weights, I wouldn't say grab some cookies and up your protein. That's not going to do it for you. So you want to try it?
Yes.
Let's go. You know what? This is a pretty bag. Look at that. They spent a lot of time making this look pretty. I guess this is supposed to represent Georgia. Considering I have family in Georgia, I don't know if they think that this is going to represent Georgia. But anyway, let's give this a try. So there you have this main bag, and then you have this sleeve inside. Here's the cookie.
Whoa!
That's why there are 10 of these.
It's tiny! This barely is the size of my thumb.
Let's try it. There are 2 things I love. I love pecans. I love butterscotch. I'm ready to rate. I see you went for a second one, so you ready to rate this? Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 to 4. 1 meaning I'm giving this a hard pass, and a 4 meaning I will get this for my personal consumption. I'm going to give these little salty, sweet cookies a hard 1. I will pass these up in a heartbeat. I have my regrets. How can something that sounded so good taste so, I don't know, my mouth, I have a taste of pecan. Yes, I did change the pronunciation because, you know, that's what I do. I taste the pecan, but I also taste a lot of salt. A lot of salt. My blood pressure just rising right now from just that one little cookie. And I don't know, it doesn't have really, I don't know, maybe I will buy this. Now, no one's going to invite me to parties if anybody sees me.
They see you walking with this, you see you walking with the bag of pecan butterscotch cookies, and they're like, get out! No, we don't want you here! Leave!
I'll walk in and be like, hey y'all. They'll be like, we saw your video. I'm gonna have no friends. I'm sorry. Oh, Tankman, tell me what you think.
Okay. I give these a 1. These are too salty. I can't even count these as a cookie. They might as well just be salt. They're saltier than sea salt.
Oh man, if these are saltier than salt. I'm sorry. Yes, I agree. I'm glad. I'm raising you right. Yeah, we're not down with that. I'm sorry, Trader Joe's. You know, oh man, look at that. I'm sorry, Mr. Joe's. This is a serious miss. I'm sorry. It just tastes like you're trying to give people hypertension. I'm right? Am I right? Okay. So I love my dog, so he won't be getting this. Well, I don't know what to do with these. Anyway. So anyway, that's it. You have any other words to say?
If you like food, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. But wait, if you like air, if you like being able to breathe, if you like oxygen, and if you want me to take over the Dynamic DIY Divas channel for the next DIY video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel and her channel.
Oh, okay, there you go. All right.
My second channel.
I'm out of here. All right, on that note, till next time.